Shauna bought me that one with the 5 heads on it.
Right.
There's like a little palm holder one that you see on TV. Yeah.
We have Lou here, and he can cut your hair.
Go cuts and shoots. Go give me some love. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
And I will actually look up the links, you guys, and include this on the video.
Then I would just put that guard on there.
You see, Scotty? Much better than I did. Because I'm not the professional.
That's what it looks like.
That's why they
stand up and they come look
painting.
at me because you're like right in the sun when you get all done. Yeah, Lou did a great job. Haircut? Your first haircut out in the desert.
Bush cuts.
Oh, it looks really good.
Let's see. That's it right there. See, now you know how to do it, right?
Yep. Well, not perfectly, but
Well, no, but you know,
I have an idea.
how he kind of
Yeah.
gets it even like that.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ah, yes, sir. You can do it like that.
Guys say cheese. This is a photo now.
Cheese.
Lou say cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, Bud needs to get in there. The guy photo. Oh, let me back it up. There we go. Now I got all the guys in.
He is the winner.
I'm on the game.
The trump card? The
Trump card.
It's the trump card.
I won, you guys. I got 7.
Hey, is that Kismet or what? Gonna win.
Right?
Mine was Daniel Ratcliffe's asshole.
I can't remember what mine. Okay guys, it's the very next day and I have decided I'm going to clean all the windows and all the screens. I had a lot of surgeries in Florida, so I wasn't able to clean for a while. So all the dirt in courtside has made it worse. I took down all the curtains and put them in the bathtub to wash them by hand to get all the dirt off. Look at that, and all the dirt on the bottom of the tub. Isn't that just something? I had no idea. And then look at the doors. You guys, the doors. I cleaned them before we left Florida. So this is all the dirt from courtside. See how filthy it is close up? And now look, super clean. And Scott just said now he has a scrubber I can use for the second door. So let's go check out that scrubber he's got. I definitely wish I knew about the scrubber the first time because it worked really well. Oh Jesus, everything goes flying. And the results, no dirt on the door. Get a lot of dirt from courtside. All the windows are clean. Guys, we are removing this refrigerator that's nice and big. It's only 3 years old and it broke, so we had to take it out. down to this outside. So, you know, the rug will go in back of the truck. All the tarps going to be folded up and put in this plastic bag over here. This is Scott's tools. All that goes in the back of the truck. And the tubs go in back of the truck too. So all this stuff will go in back of the truck. The wagon. Refrigerators go into the dump. But it's so clean. I cleaned all the windows in here. All the screens. Took them off. Put them in the bathtub. Look at that. There's no dirt. All clean. Clean. Oh my gosh, you guys. And the curtains are back up. They were so filthy. Look at that. So clean.
Starlink pole's in the way. That's alright, I'll do it right there. I don't know, maybe I want to center it, but I want to